Oh no, not again. Have y'all been here all night?
Since about 3 o'clock this morning.
No kidding. Every time it rains. Well, what about the pans?
Well,
How many? Which ones? There's about 10 or so out here. They all kind of filled up. The ones that are behind the office, they just fell through, so the walls are all soaked.
Ducks again.
And most of the leaks are, this is over the lobby right here. As you can see, they've tried to do a lot of roof tarring to fill in all the gaps and kind of seal up any of the edges along here, but you know, as you can see, there's a lot of standing water. It's a duck party on the roof. Look at that.
When it rains, it pours. This has been a fun way of letting you know some of the major needs here at Mountain Chapel. Currently, we are trying to raise $145,000 above our normal operating expenses to help put a roof on the Family Life Center, to put awnings over the side entrances to the sanctuary, as well as for some much needed updates and repairs at the Parsonage, the church-owned home where Cindy and I live. Please remember, when it rains, it pours, and pray about this. And every time you see a rubber ducky, give.